Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. You can check the description box after the video ends. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. You can download it absolutely for free and practice at your home. And also check the playlist into my channel. There you will find helpful playlists that will lead you to the way to learn easily. So today we are going to learn a new form of SUMIF function. To learn about this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, I am going to run the OSK software as usual, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. To save time, let's open that file. Here it is. So friends, if you have a data file like this and you have marked some items in your data file by asterisk as important and you have to count or sum only that marked as important amount of the data. To sum if cells contains an asterisk, you can use the SUMIF function with the special escape character or tilde character. In this example shown, you have to type the formula like this. Look at here carefully friends. We are obviously going to use the SUMIF formula equals to SUMIF. Then you have to open the first bracket. Then it is asking for a range. You have to give the range of the criteria. Note carefully, you have to give the criteria range here. After that, put a comma here. Then it is asking for criteria. Now the trick will be applied here. You have to open the double inverted comma, then put a asterisk symbol. After that, give the escape or tilde character here. You can notice the tilde character on this. You have to press the shift, then press this one, right beside the number 1 key. After that, you have to again put a asterisk symbol here, then close the double inverted comma, then again put a comma. Then it is asking for sum range. In the sum range, you have to give this amount range, then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here friend, you have get the result without any errors. So let's check if it actually gives us accurate result. We are going to change the amount in this cell. We are putting 1000 here as amount. Look at here, the result has been changed there. So let's check how this formula actually works. This formula sums the amount in column D or the amount range when a value is in column C contains asterisk, right? The SUMIF function supports wildcards. An asterisk means one or more characters while a question mark means any one character. These wildcards allow you to create criteria such as begins with or ends with or contains 3 characters and so on. Because asterisk and question marks are themselves wildcards, if you want to search for these characters specifically, you will need to escape them with a tilde character. The tilde causes Excel to treat the following character literally. In this case, we are using tilde then asterisk to match a literal asterisk, but this is surrounded by asterisk on either side in order to match an asterisk anywhere in the cell. If you just want to match an asterisk at the end of a cell, use this one as criteria. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you have learned a new trick to be used with SUMIF function. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Share your opinion and your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.